Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what credit score model Equifax uses. It's a common misconception that you have just one credit score. In reality, you have multiple scores, and they can differ depending on the credit bureau and the scoring model used. Equifax, along with the other two major credit bureaus, TransUnion and Experian, uses a variety of credit score models. One of the most prominent is the VantageScore. The three bureaus collaborated to create VantageScore as an alternative to the FICO score. If you sign up for a free credit report and score from Equifax, the score you receive is often a VantageScore 3.0. However, many lenders still use FICO scores to make their lending decisions. Equifax also provides FICO scores, including various versions tailored for different types of loans, such as FICO Auto Scores or FICO Bank Card Scores. So, the short answer is that Equifax uses both VantageScore and FICO models. The specific score you see depends on what a lender or service is using to evaluate your credit. It's always a good idea to check your credit reports from all three bureaus to get a full picture of your credit health. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.